all the time. No drama, no drama, yeah. No drama.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I do have a unboxing from iMethod Beauty. They did reach out to me and asked me if I wanted to do a review of some of their products, so I did say yes. Guys, you know, this video I will give my honest opinion on these polish. So yeah guys, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and smash the notify bell so you all will be notified every time your girl upload a new video. And if you are returning, thank you guys. Thank you to all my dolls for returning back to check out my video. So yeah guys, let's just jump right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the top coat. So in this box you do get a matte top coat, a no wipe top coat, as well as a base coat, and in each bottle you do get 10 ml. So the first collection is the holiday collection. In the box you just get a little card telling you buy one get one free, as well as a little book with instruction. In this kit you do get 6 nail polish and each bottle is 8 ml. So the next collection I'm going to show you guys is the artist collection. This collection contains 6 polishes. Each bottle contains 8 ml. They are a little smaller than your regular nail polish. Let me tell you a little bit about iMethod Beauty. They are 100% vegan. They are cruelty free. So yeah guys, let's get into the swatching. So guys, I really love the top coat. It's very shiny and I really love the matte top coat. Guys, this is a true matte top coat. I really like this matte top coat, as well as the nail polish. They are very creamy. I really like them. The polish, they are very creamy. I just wish they was in more brighter colors. This formula is really good. If you are interested in this product, I will leave a link down in the description bar down below, as well as a discount code dollface10, so you all will get 10% off your purchase. So yeah guys, I hope you all do enjoy this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you dolls in the next one. Bye guys.